Now after that, after completing this, I want to explain new session number 2. That session name is link spreadsheet data. This is your next another session number 2. So today I will continue with this session also, link spreadsheet data. Now first is setting up multiple sheets. Inserting a sheet from different spreadsheet in Excel 2010 means you can insert your sheet from different spreadsheet also. मतलब वहां से आप लेके आ सकते हो, means move sheet, copy sheet from one place to another. How will you do this? You have to select, open your Excel, then suppose that I want to insert one sheet in the same workbook. Click on this button. This is last button after the sheet number 3. Sheet number 1, sheet number 2, sheet number 3 is given already. Sheet number 1, sheet number 2, sheet number 3, these are the default sheets. Now I want to insert one more sheet here. So click on this sheet button. Now sheet number 4 inserted. Once more, now sheet number 5 is inserted. So total sheet 1, sheet 2, 3, 4 and 5 sheets are inserted. Suppose that I want to move this sheet 1 from this place to the last after the sheet 5. What I will do now, press left click on the sheet 1 and then drag it. Now see, there is a arrow sign after this sheet 2, now after the sheet 3, now after the sheet 4, now after the sheet 5. Now here, this is the desired place. Here I want to place this sheet 1. Now release your left mouse button. See this, sheet 1 is shifted from starting to the end. वहां से मूव करा और यहां पर आ गया. Please don't write. Clear? Suppose that you want to generate its copy of sheet 1. So what you will do, you will press CTRL key from the keyboard. Once you press CTRL key and then left click on it, and now place this to its original position, like at the beginning. Now shift here. Now see here, sheet 1 bracket 2 and sheet 1 at the last. So means sheet 1 की क्या हो गई, copy generate हो गई. Means here 2 sheet 1 is created. Means now I have copied this sheet 1 from the last and shifted to the beginning. How we have done? We have done this with the help of CTRL key. Now suppose that you want to delete this sheet. So right click on it, go to the delete option. Once you click on delete, your dialog box will appear here. From here you have to click on delete. Once you delete, now see this, only sheet 1 is left. Its copy is removed. Copy गायब हो गई. Now sheet 1 is left. This you can do with the help of another method. Those sheet you want to shift or move or copy, on that you have to right click. Suppose that I want to copy this sheet. Suppose that sheet 2 I want to copy. Now right click on the sheet 2, then select copy or move option. This is the option, copy or move option. Once you click on this copy or move, now copy or move dialog box will appear in your screen. Here, from which sheet, which workbook, किस workbook से आपको काम करना है. So here I want to take workbook Goal Seek and Solver. This is our file name. I have saved this file. Its name is Goal Seek and Solver. Clear? Then I want to make its copy of sheet 2. So click on this create a copy checkbox. Once you checked this create a copy checkbox, and then select the place where you want to move, where you want to copy. So I want to copy before this sheet 1, then click on OK. Now its copy is generated here before this sheet 1. Look here, this is the copy. Original sheet is given here, sheet number 2, but its copy is created before the sheet 1. Clear? This topic is clear or not? Now raise your hand if you have any doubt. Okay. Then move a worksheet within a workbook. This topic we have also covered, how we move our sheet. Now next topic is your creating a reference to another sheet in Excel. Creating a reference. Look here, see this definition. When writing a formula that refers to cells in another worksheet, you can of course type that other sheet name followed by the exclamation point and a cell reference manually. But this would be a slow and error prone way. Now see with the help of example here how we will do this. Now look, this is your blank Excel sheet. Now this time we are working in sheet 3. Any kind of values you can refer. Okay, so this is the string type value, means in a character it is written. Suppose that numeric type of value 15. Then calculation you can do also like this, 6 plus 5, that is 11. Function it also work, sum sum in bracket cell address B4 colon B5. These are the 4 values. One is text type value, second is numeric, this is the calculation, and then this calculation done with the help of function. Now definition says that when you're writing a formula, then refer to cells in another worksheet. Another worksheet means I want to refer this value here in this sheet. अब मुझे sheet 4 में ये values लानी है. जो values मैंने sheet 3 में लिखी हैं वो सारी value मेरी कहाँ आ जाए, sheet 4 में आ जाए. How it will possible? For that you have to write equal sign. Only equal sign you have to write. Then you have to go in sheet number 3 where your value is placed. So here my value is placed in sheet number 3. Look, this formula bar here equals to sheet name, exclamation mark is written. So according to the definition, look here, क्या लिखा है? You can of course type that other sheet name. So here other sheet name is sheet 3. Other sheet name is sheet 3 followed by an exclamation point. So here exclamation mark is followed to this sheet 3, and then and a cell reference manually, and then you have to write cell reference. You have to write cell reference. Cell reference is B3. Now B3 is a cell reference. Once you press enter key, this value will appear in sheet 4 also. Sheet 4 में ये value थी नहीं, लेकिन sheet 4 में ये value आ गई. How it came? Through this. First I have written equal sign, then name of that sheet. That sheet name is sheet 3 because this value is coming from the sheet 3, followed by exclamation mark and the address of that cell. This you can do manually also. Equals to sign, Muskan don't write, equal to sign, then SHEET sheet number 3, and then exclamation mark. After that, address of that cell. So here address of that cell is B4. This value I want to place. So B4. This is the address, and then press enter key. It is not working because sheet 4 is appeared after that. Now look here. This I have done manually. Manually कैसे आया? First I return equal sign, then name of the sheet, SHEET sheet number 3, then press exclamation mark, and then write the address of that cell B5 and then press enter key. Look here, 11. You can get this value by dragging method also. Once you drag, next value automatic came. Clear? Next is relative and absolute hyperlink. Relative and absolute hyperlink. Hyperlink, you know very well what is hyperlink. Hyperlink is used to connect your main page with the another page, or it is identified by the colored and underlined text. Okay, its by default color is blue, and always it appear in blue color with underline. That means once I place our cursor in the hyperlink text, our cursor sign change to normal sign to the hand symbol. You know very well, this is the cursor sign. ये भी cursor sign है. Suppose that I am writing here school mail ID like this, PRINCIPAL, principal Kichya @gmail.com. Press enter. Now see, this is converted into hyperlink. This is our normal cursor. Once I place our cursor over this email ID, now our cursor sign change to the hand symbol. Now look here, this is the hand symbol. Suppose I want to remove this hyperlink, so select this cell address and then go to the insert. From here, their option is given hyperlink. Hyperlink option available under links category. Click on this hyperlink. Okay, through this you can add or remove, or second method is normally right click on this. You have to select remove hyperlink. Once you click on this, now hyperlink is removed from this email ID. Now two things are given here. One is relative hyperlink and second one is absolute hyperlink. Relative hyperlink means you can apply your hyperlink to any other type of files, like maybe that file is Word file, maybe that file is PDF file, maybe that file is image file. So how will you make this? You can make, suppose that you want to perform relative cell referencing, relative hyperlink. So click on this insert button and then click on hyperlink. Once you click on hyperlink, hyperlink dialog box will appear. Now insert hyperlink dialog box will appear. Text to display. Which display you want? Which text you want to display? So this time I want to create hyperlink in this Excel session 1 data analysis, but this file is in PDF file. So I want to put hyperlink on this file. So select this file and then set its name. So here I want to set its name like data analysis. And then click on OK. Once I have clicked OK, now see here, this is the name of the file. Its color is blue and underlined. That means this is hyperlinked text. Once I click on this link, it will open my PDF file. Look this is the PDF file. So means this file is linked with that text. This file is linked with text. Means अब इसका कलर चेंज हो गया because I have visited this link. So visited color is like this, purple. Purple means this is a visited, or without visited that color is blue. And absolute hyperlink. Absolute hyperlink means you can apply hyperlink in only website, means web addresses. Suppose that you want to open Google, so you can write hyperlink, click on hyperlink. Here you have to write the address of the website. So Here I have already written http://www.google.com. Then यहाँ आना क्या चाहिए, Google site. So this is the text which I want to appear on my screen. Then click on OK. Once you click on OK, now look here, this is the text, Google site. Once I click on this Google site button, it will open our browser with the Google site. It takes some time. Now you can see, now Google website is opened because I have typed www.google.com. That's why Google website is absolute hyperlink only for to type या to link your website or web pages, whereas relative hyperlink is helpful to hyperlink any kind of file, link any kind of file, either that is document file or maybe PDF file, image file, whatever, any kind of file you can link with the relative hyperlink. Or absolute, you can link with only web page. Web page means websites. Is it clear?